My name is Palvinder Singh. I am going to present the idea of Restyle, the digital marketplace that will link eco-conscious people and verified sellers to achieve sustainable fashion that is affordable and accessible, significant to the environment. Restyle is a marketplace that link eco-environmentally aware buyers with confirmed sellers of recycle and second-hand clothes. We have a platform that is safe and easy to use, and it also people to sell and purchase certified environmentally friendly clothes. Restyle make money with a subscription of premium sellers and small transaction fees, which will guarantee it long-term financial sustainability. Restyle achieve a sense of trust by combining AI suggestion and eco-friendly acceleration and encourage a transition into a circular fashion business model in which all purchases and serve more than just style but also environment sustainability.
My name is Eman Halit. I will describe how the fast fashion problem has become a significant challenge nowadays and identify Restyle as the environmentally friendly online offer that will satisfy the needs of consumer to rely on sustainable, tested and eco-ethical options of clothing. The problem of mass wasting has taken huge proportion of waste that fast fashion has produced, and consumers now want products that are environmentally favorable. Restyle is responding to this by removing a perceived absence of trustworthy digital marketing platform for sustainable fashion. Our other customers are conscious shoppers who would assess verified sellers of used and upcycled clothing, assuring them of authenticity and quality. Commission and premium membership provide a profitable and scalable approach to the business model of platform. We are ethical retailers with novel digital innovations such as AI suggestions and carbon traceability. Restyle simplifies sustainable fashions, making it both transparent and stylish, and transform all-day purchases into something that changes the world and the future in its own way. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mandeep Kaur. Today I am presenting Restyle is a digital marketplace redefining sustainable fashion by connecting eco-conscious consumers with verified sellers of high-quality recycled and second-hand clothing. We make ethical fashion affordable, accessible and convenient while giving every garment a second life. With the rising demand for sustainability, Restyle stands out through trusted seller verification, brand partnerships and an innovative mobile app. Our revenue model, transaction fees, advertising and premium subscriptions ensures strong profitability as the market grows. Restyle isn't just reducing fashion waste, we are turning sustainability into a smarter mainstream choice. It's fashion that's good for people, the planet and business. Thank you.
My name is Karandeep Singh. I will explain the environmental and social impacts of Restyle as the platform fosters the concept of cellular fashion and waste reduction, as well as eco-conscious consumer behavior with the help of eco-friendly operational activities. Restyle is the market, but it is also a sustainable living movement. Our platform will help people who love fashion and the circular economy contact by encouraging the use of second-hand clothing and the also upcycling it. Each purchase will help to reduce waste and by responsible in consumption. Authenticity and a low carbon footprint are ensured through verified seller and eco-friendly logistics. Commission and seller subscriptions help the business to be self-sufficient. Restyle reinforces the way individuals view used fashion and make it a symbol of responsibility and sustainability. It is a fashion that is good, that feels good and does good to the planet. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Imran Ahmed. I am presenting innovation and vision. I will end with the definition of the innovation and long-term vision of Restyle, demonstrating how the combination of technology, AI, and the circulatory relevance fashion to become the sustainable and profitable. Restyle is a new brand who has launched a new approach to fashion that is circular and the digitally innovative. Our website will make certified sustainable seller to green consumers enter second-hand upload cycle cloth into the mainstream. Restyle caters to a seamless and trustworthy interaction with the integrated authorization features, green supply chain and individual AI suggestion. Transaction fees and high-end features can be used as a source of revenue and the guaranteeing growth and sustainability. The idea of the curriculum with the words tendency towards sustainability and the responsible consumption. The vision of Restyle is to make it style and profitable and the digital to make the industry sustainable and one conclusion purchase at a time. Thank you.